To announce that the next Tesla Gigafactory will be in Mexico near Monterrey. Now, I do want to emphasize we will continue to expand production at all of our existing factories.
Those existing factories include the Gigafactory in Austin, where they held the Investor Day yesterday. Tesla's annual deliveries, long term, they still believe that eventually they can get to delivering 20 million vehicles annually. Whether or not that's going to happen within the next 10 years, 15 years, hard to say. But Elon Musk was asked about the issue of affordability and demand, and whether or not demand is falling off for Tesla vehicles. He says no way.
Tesla's new Gigafactory in Mexico has gained attention from the media and public, as it helps the company achieve its goal of producing 20 million cars by 2030. Some question why Tesla chose Mexico over doubling its footprint in Austin. Musk toured 3 Mexican states in December, leading to reports of Tesla's 6th Gigafactory, which will be built in Nuevo Leon, Mexico. The decision allows Tesla to benefit from Mexico's low labor costs, established automotive supply chain, and proximity to the US market. The new Gigafactory will produce the next generation vehicle that Musk teased in 2020, with an affordable price point achieved through a 50% reduction in battery and cell manufacturing costs. Overall, this move could be strategic for Tesla, potentially opening new markets. Welcome to Prima Invest, where we will give you information relating to all things investing. Let's get to the video. Tesla's announcement of their new factory in Monterrey, Mexico, marks the country's entrance into the production of electric vehicles. The new factory will be among the first in Mexico, solely dedicated to the manufacturing of EVs. One advantage of the country's long history in traditional gasoline and diesel-powered vehicles is the established supply base, which includes relatively inexpensive labor and free trade agreements with 50 countries. Before the pandemic, Mexican factories were producing almost 4 million cars annually, with Mexico ranking as the 7th largest country in terms of auto production. However, the pandemic's impact on the supply of auto parts, particularly computer chips, led to a decline in auto production worldwide, with Mexico producing approximately 3.5 million cars last year. The move by Tesla to invest in Mexico is seen as a positive signal for outside investment in the industry, and Tesla has agreed to environmental commitments as part of the agreement. According to Andres Abadia, chief Latin America economist at Pantheon Macroeconomics, who announced the Monterrey factory. The nationalist leader believes that Tesla's arrival in Mexico is a positive sign for the market and could potentially lead to a cheaper path for automakers to cut expenses. This development could also allow Tesla to expand its electric vehicle exports. As the largest player in the EV industry, Tesla produces around 3 million vehicles annually, with 90% of them exported, mostly to the US. According to the leader, Tesla's investment in Mexico could reduce the impact of negative news related to politics, populism, and nationalism. What do you think about Tesla's new Gigafactory? Let me know in the comments below. Tesla's choice of Mexico as the location for its new factory has piqued the interest of analysts and investors. According to Dave Lee, a Tesla investor and YouTuber, the new factory in Mexico is intended to cater to new markets in Latin, Central, and South America. Monterrey, the chosen location for the factory, is an industrial city close to the largest transportation and trade hub on the US-Mexico border, which provides Tesla with easy access to the US market and reduces logistics costs. This move also aligns with Tesla's strategy of expanding globally and increasing its EV exports. Additionally, Monterrey has a highly educated workforce and a large pool of available labor, making it an ideal location for the new Tesla factory. The factory will also be strategically close to other recently created Tesla factories in Austin, Texas. By opening a factory in Mexico, Tesla hopes to reduce its cost of production, making EV manufacturing cheaper and maintaining high profit rates through decreasing production costs. This will help Tesla gain a competitive advantage over other automotive companies. Tesla is facing intense competition from other car companies producing EVs at lower prices. As a result, the company's share of the global EV market dropped from 17% to 12% between 2021 and 2022, and from 72% to 65% in the US market. To counter this, Tesla appears to be pursuing a strategic strategy by building a new factory in Monterrey, Mexico, with the aim of reducing the price of its vehicles by launching a more accessible line of EVs. According to automotive manufacturing expert and Tesla fan Sandy Munro, the Mexican plant will be key in the automaker's bid to provide a $25,000 car to the masses, which has been a long-term goal for Elon Musk. By building an assembly plant in Mexico, where workers are typically paid less than in the US, Tesla can reduce manufacturing costs and achieve its goal of producing cheaper EVs. Tesla's plan to construct a new factory in Mexico may have significant implications, but it's not without its challenges. The company's estimated cost for building the additional plant necessary to reach 20 million vehicles is between $150 billion and $175 billion, which includes the $28 billion investment made in its history. In addition, many major automakers, including General Motors, Ford, Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Volkswagen, Audi, Mazda, Mercedes, Kia, and BMW already have assembly plants in Mexico. These companies have been expanding their manufacturing presence in Mexico over the last 2 decades to take advantage of lower labor costs, free trade agreements in North America, and lower shipping costs than overseas manufacturing operations. If you enjoy this type of content, do give us a like and subscribe. Mexican factories have become increasingly popular for producing some of the most profitable vehicles in the industry, such as General Motors and Ram pickups. However, these vehicles are produced at a much lower cost than their competitors. This should not be a problem for Tesla if they can sell their cars at a lower price than their competitors. According to Tesla investor and YouTuber Dave Lee, Tesla's new factory in Mexico will not prevent the company from expanding its factory in Austin. The company's CFO, Zachary Kirkhorn, has stated that they will not manufacture Model 3 or Model Y EVs in the new factory, because the market for these cars is too small to require domestic production. Tesla's plan to build a new factory in Mexico is part of Elon Musk and Tesla's strategy to sell more than 20 million cars by the end of the decade, a goal that some say is too ambitious. However, the budget for the factory may seem huge, but it's relatively small compared to the company's ambitions. Despite this, experts like Sandy Munro are still not ready to bet against Musk, citing his track record of proving doubters wrong. In the end, anyone who tries to compete against Musk is likely to lose. In summary, Tesla's move to enter the Mexican market and expand into new markets holds significant potential to propel the company. This might even allow Tesla's market cap to skyrocket to the $1 trillion mark and its stock price to reach the thousands. By leveraging Mexico's proximity to the United States and its growing demand for electric vehicles, Tesla can quickly establish a strong foothold in the region and capitalize on a largely untapped market. Furthermore, expanding into the new markets beyond North America can diversify Tesla's revenue streams and mitigate the risks associated with regional economic downturns. With a proven track record of disrupting traditional industries and driving innovation, Tesla is well positioned to continue its impressive growth trajectory and solidify its position as a global leader in the electric vehicle space. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, click the link shown on screen. Remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, have a good one.